Welcome everyone to your channel, AI Fun Fact for All. For those of you who are new to this channel, my name is Pedram again. I have a PhD in computer science, and in this channel we're going to talk about AI and machine learning and how we can use it in order to improve our efficiency. You may already have heard about AI agents a lot, and you see that is getting a lot of attention in 2025. If you want to break down what is AI agent, you can think of it as an LLM or AI that you give it the capability to do an action on your behalf. So basically an AI or a chatbot that we have already is something that you can just talk to it and then it will provide a response to you, and then after that one step more is that it has the ability to think, or for example you see the idea of deep research, and then one step after that is that it take action on your behalf, and that can be done through different ways like APIs and so on. But what we really want to talk about is AI agents that are very important, and in this video I'm gonna talk about 3 of them and we'll take a look and see what are the capabilities that they have. So without further, let's jump right into it. The first AI agent that I want to talk about is Manus AI. It is basically an AI agent that is recently shaking up the space and is developed by a Chinese company, and it's basically a browser-based AI agent that can do pretty much different tasks on behalf of you and can be comparable to lots of the OpenAI's deep research and also operator. So it has some of capabilities that in some cases it actually provide even better performance compared to those OpenAIs. The first thing that they show is that how the agent is able to handle multiple different files, how to do research on the internet, how to do the thinking, how to plan for executing these actions, and how to work with multiple files. So let's actually take a look at the video together.
Let's start with an easy one. In this example, we'll ask Manus to help screen resumes. I've just sent Manus a zip file containing 10 resume documents. Since each Manus agent has its own computer, it can work like a human. First unzipping the file, then browsing through each resume page by page, and recording important information to documents. Manus works asynchronously in the cloud, which means you can close your laptop anytime and Manus will notify you when everything is complete. Of course, you can also give Manus new instructions at any time. Here I've sent Manus 5 more resumes. After carefully reading all 15 resumes, Manus provides its ranking suggestions along with candidate profiles and evaluation criteria as supporting materials. This is pretty good, but I prefer a spreadsheet. Let's have Manus create one. Manus has its own knowledge and memory, so it can teach Manus that the next time it handles a similar task, it will deliver a spreadsheet right away. In this example, we'll have Manus conduct some research. It needs to filter New York properties based on multiple criteria. For complex tasks, Manus first breaks them down and creates a to-do list.
So here you see the task has changed and wants to take a look and say that, okay, I want to purchase a property, find the safest neighborhood, and then also some criteria of what is the amount that you want to do, and then it will do the research and come up with the solution.
Manus begins by searching and carefully reading articles about the safest neighborhoods. Then Manus researches middle schools in New York. Next, Manus writes a Python program to calculate my budget. Based on my budget, Manus filters listings on real estate websites. Finally, combining all the information gathered, Manus writes a detailed report and compiles all the resources.
To compare it with the current OpenAI's operator, obviously we have the cost of OpenAI that is way higher, and also in some of the task and analysis it actually provides better performance. So let me know in the comments what do you think is the pros and cons are, and if you suggest using Manus. The second AI tool I want to talk about is Udio. It basically can generate audio for you that has a very good quality. Let's hear some of the music together. So what you can do is that you basically simply describe the music that you want, and then obviously the more descriptive that you are, the better the result in. And then after that, you go in here and then you press on the create, you put the verse, the chorus, and so on. And then it also have some availability about the customization, and then you can also decide the prompt length. Moving on to the last but not least, we have Descript. So if you are a content creator like me, you always get to the issue of editing the video, and can be time consuming, but that's where Descript can come and help you. You can do pretty much so many different things, such as creating the auto script for you, and then you can see that in some part you see some dots, and that's where you have basically some pauses. And if you actually choose those parts, you can simply remove any parts that you have put some stops, and then you basically pretty much remove any arms from your video. The other important thing is that you can add audio or text to it, and that's called the overdub. And what it does is that it will use your voice and generate those content for you. So that is very incredible, and you can pretty much generate something that you forgot, for example, in your video, and make your video a lot more professional. There you have it, guys. We went over the top 3 AI agents that are blowing right now, and we discussed what are their capability and how we can use them. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, and more importantly, subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more videos like this, I have created another video in here that I talk about the top 3 AI available right now, and I'll compare them based on their benefits and their drawback. And also I've created another video in here that I present the free AI video generator that you can use in order to produce a result. Thanks for watching, and see you until the next one.